Need to export journal entries from QuickBooks Desktop for audit, review, reporting, or cleanup work? Exporting them one by one or rebuilding the data manually in Excel takes extra time. In this video, I'll show you how to export journal entries from QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Desktop and download them in Excel or CSV format.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today.
Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks. When prompted, authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Desktop. Journal entries are often needed for accountant review, month-end checks, backup, and reporting. With SaasAnt Desktop, you can search by date, preview the results, and export journal entries in bulk. Let's see how it works. Open SaasAnt Desktop. From the dashboard, click Export. In the QuickBooks Type drop-down, select Journal Entry. Next, choose the date type as Created or Modified Date. Then set the From and To date range for the journal entries you want to export. Keep the export template as SaasAnt Template. Use the Filter tab to narrow down the export by fields further if needed. Now click Search. SaasAnt will display the matching journal entries in the results grid, including fields like journal entry number, name, journal date, account, amount, debit, and credit. Review the records to make sure you have the entries you need. Then, in the bottom right corner, choose the file format as Excel or CSV. Click Download to export the journal entries. Your journal entries will now be saved in the selected format, ready for review, reporting, backup, or further processing. That's how to export journal entries from QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Desktop. It is a simple way to pull journal entry data in bulk and work with it outside QuickBooks.